Welcome everyone. It is Thursday night. It is time for Rock and Pour. I hope you caught Louise McKay art. She was before me. Amber's Awfully Awesome art is after me. And then Angela Bliss. We appreciate you being here every Thursday night. We are so grateful and we cannot wait for you to see our theme tonight is pastels. Let's get started. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I am going to do a pearl pour tonight, and I am using pieces of Tara Artistry's new pearl recipe. It's on her channel. I'll put the link below. She will also be teaching this class at FAE, and I'm working on a gallery wrapped 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have my back taped my pins in, and the colors that we're using, I've got Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, and I have these are all Amsterdam colors, so I'm gonna have to put the colors below because I left them downstairs when I mixed them. And this really pretty pink, nice spring colors. Now, my paints are mixed 50 GAC, 50 Floetrol, and then water to consistency. Now, do you see? I'm going to show you. It goes right back in. I probably could add a little bit more water to this, to the pink. Let's check. Nope, this one goes right back in. Perfect. So, I've got my pearl mix made. I'm hoping we get some really cool pearls. I'm excited. And again, I'll put the recipe below. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this on. And we're going to just cover the canvas, tip it off. And because this is pastel, I have decided not to paint my edges like I normally would in a pearl pour. If you watch some of my other pearl pour videos, I do typically paint the edges. You know, Tara explains that in her video as well, that it helps the pearls kind of wrap around, especially a gallery wrapped canvas, and they really stick to the edges. Really such a simple recipe. It's actually 2 or 3 parts Floetrol American, 1 part Vallejo pearl medium, and then you're going to use your 1 part paint, and it is the Liquitex titanium white. That's all this is. So I'm very excited. All right, we're going to get started, and I'm going to just kind of swirl it around, see what we get with these pinks and all these beautiful colors. And then we're going to start, we're going to tilt it off. I really do want a little bit more, this sky blue light here. All right, let's tilt it off and see what happens. Okay. Okay, and we're going to bring it back. I already see some pearls going. Bring it down. Pearls are really reacting quick. Yikes. And that's okay if they are wonky pearls, because I'm going to do something else with it. All right, let's let it set. Let's see the pearls that kind of form before we do the next step with these beautiful pastel colors. Buddy, let's go down for a close-up on this beautiful pastel pearl pour. I am going to actually embellish this, but not during this video. And because this is a pastel video, not a embellishing video. So on this one, number 1, now I want to show you, do you see where I did not paint those edges? Now it looks great, you see the edges, but big mistake. You should always, I'm going to go around, you should always paint your edges. So what I'll probably do, I'll embellish the edges as well. I'm going to come up and just show you the beautiful pearls. This is using the new recipe. I love it. Again, I'm just going to let it dry as is, and then I am plan on embellishing this probably in another video. I set that one aside. We're going to do another small canvas. That was just too much fun. I love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this pearl again. Same stuff. Actually, before this time, I think I am going to grab a paintbrush, and we are going to paint the edges on this one. Okay, we're gonna put some pink around these edges. I cannot wait to see what my other friends have created tonight. I know they're gonna be gorgeous. Make sure you go back and check out Louise McKay if you missed her. And again, Amber's up next and followed by Angela. Get. Okay, I don't think we're getting much because I didn't get a lot off the canvas. I don't like that. All right, let's do it again. Okay, let's tilt it about over what's already there. Yeah, I'm playing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna bring it down. Okay, then I'm going to put some of this in the blue. I think I did this one on another one that I did, and you know, it's okay to experiment and find things that work. It doesn't have to be the same way that someone else does it. And I think with my last pearl pour, Dutch pour, that's what happened. So this one probably will be a good one to experiment with. Okay, let's tip it back up. Okay, let's let it set. Let's just see what happens. We double layered it. Let's just see. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, getting some neat stuff going on. I'm gonna have to turn it around and see what I want to do. I could do, probably could do a flower pop on this one. Let's turn it around and see what I don't like and what I like. I actually have a custom color. I have an FP on here. That's how I know it's for a flower pop. So I am going to be brave, and I'm going to start, because this is pastel, I don't want to use black. I think black would have been beautiful. But we're going to start with a flower on this one. I'm just going to squirt this in the center. And I want to do kind of a bigger flower. I do think the problem when you use one color like this is you've got to have some sort of contrast. And so I am going to put some white on top of this right here. All right. And I am going to use my straw, I think, instead of puffy. So let's grab that. I'm going to use my good old straw on this one. Here we go. Okay, not a lot of contrast there. I see purple coming through. I'm thinking how I want to do this. There we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay. Let's go ahead and torch. You can see a bubble. Make sure there's nothing. Whoops. Make sure there's nothing in the paint right there. Again, using pieces of Terra Artistry, her new pearls. I love this right up here. Look how pretty that is. But these flowers, they have a lot of, look at this one. He's beautiful. Beautiful. And I see some pearls coming through on him. I love the layers in this one. Okay, I'm so happy with this final piece. I think it's amazing. I am going to show you the dried results of both pieces. I will probably embellish both of them, but that will not be on this video, so fingers crossed they dry well. And stay tuned because we're going to do the dried results, and then we're going to head over to Amber's channel after we look at the dried results. I will see you there. Okay, look at these pearls. They dried beautifully, and look at that lacing in the pink. I love it. But it did dry kind of a different color than the flower pop. And that's because of all the layers. I did a double layer of paint. This is stunning in real life. I cannot wait to add stems and embellish it. I hope you enjoyed this Pearl Pour Pastel Flower Pop. It was so much fun. Please hit that like, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Let's head over to Amber's channel. See you there.